Ladies and gentlemen, as y'all see in this video, we are talking about how much YouTube paid me as a gaming content creator. Ladies and gentlemen, my channel has almost 8 million views all time. But ladies and gentlemen, the numbers are actually going to shock you of how much I actually made. I thought it would be a lot more, but really and truly, YouTube did not pay me nowhere near as much as I would have thought I would have got. My long form videos are the highest paying videos I have, and they still are not outperforming some of the shorts, and that's just mind blowing. I have shorts that are paying me more than some of my long form, but my best ones I've made money off of are my long form videos. But I have shorts outperforming most of my long form videos, which is just mind blowing. But ladies and gentlemen, YouTube, but as y'all see right here, YouTube didn't even pay me $560, and I've had this channel for years. I've been monetized since 2024, and ladies and gentlemen, in 2 years, I've made almost like 5.5, almost 6 million views in this time period, and only got $560 in this time period too. It's just insane to think about. I thought there'd be a humongous difference of how much they actually paid me compared to most people I watch these videos. I don't know how much they got paid as a gaming content creator and stuff. They get paid so much more than I was. And my RPMs are very good. For these newer videos I've been posting, the RPM is so good. But all my older videos were not good RPMs, and that showed big time. But now that this new updates are coming out and stuff, my longer videos that are outperforming my newer ones are literally getting more RPM. The RPMs went up since they've posted, and that's why I've made so much money, is because those older videos are still getting views. So like my settings videos for MLB The Show, as y'all can see, is literally my top paying videos. But ladies and gentlemen, that is all I've been paid all this time on YouTube. With that being said, though, I hope everybody has a blessed day. I hope y'all liked this little short video of how much we actually made on YouTube. With that being said, I hope you have a blessed day. May the Lord Jesus Christ be all, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Come on.